This is so sketchy. There's actual holes in the floor. All the walls are torn down in here. Ooh. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're finally back with the dirt bike video. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for me to post one. As some of you know about my last video, I was on vacation the last 3 weeks. I ended up getting a lot of footage on the trip, but most of it is car stuff because you couldn't rent dirt bikes out there. It was either like ATVs or jet skis. I do have 2 more trips that I'm going on this year, so if you guys want to see jet ski videos and quad videos, let me know in the comments. But for today's video, we're going to be going to an abandoned house that I found last month, and it looks like they left everything behind, so it should be a really cool video. As you can probably tell right now, I'm at the skate pole that I usually like to hit, so I'm going to hop on the bike and we're going to jump this a few times and then make our way over to that abandoned house. Alright, let's start making our way to this abandoned house. It is kind of far away, so I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I finally got a new GoPro. I got a little upgrade. This is the Hero 12 now. Before I had the 11. Little shortcut. We're out here in the sticks. There's nothing out here. All right, here's the house right up here. Hope that's not a cop. Yeah, I saw this like last month, and it looks like they left a ton of stuff here. It's like the only spot that bike will actually not fall. Hello? Hello? I feel like I'm always gonna fall through the floor. This is so sketchy. There's actual holes in the floor. I should not be walking on this. This is the stuff I do for you guys. What am I doing right now? All the rooms are all destroyed. I'm pretty sure this place has been here for the last like 10 years or something. Let's go look at it from this way. Yeah, they left everything in here. That's crazy. It's probably so much money just gone to waste. Good thing I got my moto boots on. Would not want to walk in here. Looks like a whole family lived here though at one point, obviously. Why does that kind of look like me as a baby? It's really weird. All the walls are torn down in here. This is from the other side. It's sad to see what happens to all these abandoned places. People always trash them. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here before the police see me over here. Let's go check out these ditches. Oh no. Not trying to go in that. It's nice when everything's dead. I can actually see all the spots I've never been to before. Yo, urban hill climb. Fire. Kind of cool. Oh, I thought we'd be able to cut through the trail right here, but definitely not. Cut through here. But But yeah, guys, like I was saying earlier, I still have 2 car videos that I want to get out. One in a McLaren, and then the other one is another Ferrari video. Also, this upcoming week, me and Alex are going to go out to a new track that I've never been to, so that should be a lot of fun. What do we got over here? I haven't rode a track in so long, so I'm probably gonna feel super rusty, but it is what it is. Of course there's a train. When is there not a train at this intersection, for real? School bus. Yo, what is this? Secret path? That's actually fun. On the gravel. And then skirt, 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 skirt. I think I'll be able to hit this right here. This might work. What up, brother? How we doing?
I got the Varg.
Got the Varg, bro.
Sure.
How we feeling?
I've never seen one.
Really? You never seen one in person? Yeah, they're sick, bro.
It's pretty fun.
You could hold it. It's heavy as shit, but
You want me to sit on it?
yeah, you can sit on it if you want.
Okay. Oh, there's only one. Oh, is it back brake? It's back.
He has a
brake.
back brake, yeah.
That's crazy.
Not a bad little jump. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. That boy's nice with it. Ooh. You good? You good?
Hey, you gotta post that.
Good content, good content.
We good.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Just smack it on like the tree.
Hold my handlebars. I'm good.
Use this tree right here.
Yeah.
It's cut through all the fields. Oh, it's so wet back here. Oh no, it's starting to rain a little bit. That jump's always fun. Stark still got 30% battery. Not too bad. If you guys want me to do more abandoned content and more content with other people, let me know in the comments. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.